Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Kalim Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Usia Nostorms.
How's Tiwo?
Yeah.
Dikolo kanchungo mayam.
Yeah.
Noba ukuthi ayingeni indawo.
Yeah.
Dithi iChiefs ayizongena ku-top 80. iChiefs ayizongena ku-top 80. iChiefs ayizongena ku-top 80. ayizongena ku-top 80. iChiefs ayizongena ku-top 80. iChiefs ayizongena ku-top 80. iChiefs ayizongena ku-top 80. yazi isithibo lengoma ndiyishiswa yini. Yabona namhlanje ungabuka nje la istadium ungazi ukuthi iPirates bidlala neRichards Bay. Kanti bidlala nezikipa zeRichards Bay against iKaizer Chiefs. Ipain namhlanje siyihlabelayo Moses Mabhida yoqhuma le enatural.
Njalo buti.
Kubo lamthuthu wakaBobby Mutawu. Yazi lapho bakhona kubhlungu inhliziyo kubhlungu nje ukuhlela.
Abomen B.
Yabona into enzoyisho la kuwesithibo namhlanje. Angifuna ukukhuluma ngabo Men B. uMen B uzosanifuna eringini kanti andikho fit. Andikho fit. Uyabona nje uMen B engasanikhuzela labo lamthuthu bakhe baloko bendiza. Bezithembisa ngama high hopes. Abayi Orlando Pirates. Into enifuna ukubaxela yona namhlanje. Mababukeli Orlando Pirates izothatha i-treble this season. This season Orlando Pirates izothatha i-treble. Bona bazoloko bedreamela o3 points nokuba yiMukoko champions. Mukoko champions. Nobukela thina kule season sithatha i-treble singamabhakaniya. Phako wena nishela wona nithi hlalani kanjalo ningosiduma ngabanye until amen.
Ngiyanasiya. Awuhlabe nya.
Hayi malibulisa makhosi, libulisa madawana. Ngele nkosi igama Yesu Kristu waseNazareth. Yazi sithi last time sihlala neArrows. Sanikuwani iChiefs. Sanikuwani iSundowns. Kule game siyaxolisa kumakhosi, siyaxolisa kumadawana. Ukudla bekukuncane. Siye sakora 1 sabavimba. Ngolomazi bangadinwa na ku-final babe khona sababela.
La futhi final. Ngiyabafuna ngicula kancane nje mesiyavana mina sithiwe. Ufuna ukuqoqa. Khona ingoma eyodwa. Ibalekile futhi le ngoma. Ithi le ngoma le. Lena le iphakani yaphumelela. Iphakani yaphumelela.
Sibo wanga umphefumulo weRichards Bay ngalala ngoqolo
sobadlala nje
iyo lesigqubo ithi Richards Bay
anikho ikhosi kanti
Richards Bay iselayinini lo
man of the match here TLP
ifumene 100 squad he always our police funeka niki 50 apolice nginikile nayo
injani
ngoba iman of the match bekusaphose uApolice funeka ithathe i50 squad isigodo inikwa police ibe zethatha ifitha isigodo ibe yeyayo sithi ngoku who's next
Ushanela le season.
noba kuze bani
Ushanela.
noba kuze bani sicimela ngokusithi noba ngubani noba ngu-Arrows noba nguMaruma woza
Yoza nawe.
Hoy.
Ubanda kanje. Thank you siya. Okay, now ma.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?